Welcome to this tutorial on PS Custom Object. In PowerShell, PS Custom Object is a powerful feature that allows you to create custom objects with your own defined properties. This is essential for organizing and structuring data in your scripts. Throughout this video, you'll learn how to create these objects, add properties to them, and use them effectively in real-world scenarios. Let's dive in and explore how PS Custom Object can make your PowerShell scripting more efficient and organized. PS Custom Object is a lightweight object type designed specifically for structured data in PowerShell. It allows you to create objects with custom properties that you define yourself, making your data more organized and easier to work with. One of its key advantages is speed and efficiency when manipulating data. PS Custom Object is particularly perfect for organizing script output in a clean, readable format. Instead of dealing with raw text or arrays, you can structure your data as objects with named properties, making your scripts more professional and maintainable. The basic syntax for creating a PS Custom Object is straightforward. You start by assigning a variable, then use the PS Custom Object type accelerator in square brackets, followed by the @ symbol and curly braces. Inside the curly braces, you define your properties as key-value pairs. Each property has a name on the left side of the equals sign and a value on the right side. Properties are separated by line breaks or semicolons. In this example, we're creating an object with 3 properties. Property 1 with a string value, Property 2 with another string value, and Property 3 with a numeric value of 123. Let's look at a practical example. Here we're creating a user object to store information about a person. The object contains 4 properties. Name is set to John Doe, email is john@example.com, department is IT, and active is set to true using the $true Boolean value. Once you've created the object, you can easily access any property using dot notation. For example, $user.name would return John Doe. This makes it incredibly easy to work with structured data in your scripts, especially when managing user information, system inventory, or any other organized data. You can create multiple PS custom objects and store them in an array for easy management. Here we're creating an array called $users that contains 3 separate PS custom objects. Each object has name and age properties. Alice is 30 years old, Bob is 25, and Carol is 35. Notice how we're using the @ symbol with parentheses to create an array, and each object is defined on its own line. Once you have multiple objects in an array, you can pipe them to format -table to display them in a clean, tabular format. This is extremely useful for generating reports or displaying collections of data. Sometimes you need to add properties to an object after it's already been created. PowerShell makes this easy with the add-member cmdlet. In this example, we start with a product object that has name set to laptop and price set to $999. Then we use the pipe symbol to send the object to add-member. We specify the member type as note property, give it the name stock, and set its value to 50. The backtick at the end of the line is a line continuation character that allows us to split the command across multiple lines for better readability. After running this, the $product object will now have 3 properties, including the newly added stock property. PS Custom Object is incredibly versatile and has many practical applications. First, it's excellent for formatting script output for readability, turning raw data into structured, professional-looking results. Second, it's perfect for converting data from a PS or files into PowerShell objects that are easy to manipulate. Third, you can use it for building reports and summaries, organizing information in a way that's easy to understand and export. Finally, it's ideal for creating structured data collections, allowing you to group related information together logically. These use cases make PS Custom Object an essential tool in any PowerShell developer's toolkit. To wrap up, PS Custom Object is a fundamental feature in PowerShell that creates flexible, structured objects perfect for organizing your data. You've learned how to create basic objects with the PS Custom Object Type Accelerator, how to access properties using dot notation, how to create arrays of multiple objects, and how to add properties dynamically with Add-Member. You've also seen common real-world use cases where PS Custom Object shines. Start incorporating PS Custom objects into your scripts today, and you'll find your code becomes more organized, readable, and professional. Thank you for watching, and happy scripting!
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.